I'm going to say it. Smart lights are the greatest invention since Edison invented the light bulb. With smart lights, you can automate the lights in your home, access vast color spectrums, and create easy holiday lighting displays. One of the easiest ways to automate your lighting and create a safe entryway and a bright, welcoming home is to use geofencing with smart lights like Philips Hue. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and in this video I'll tell you a bit about what geofencing is, how it works, and how to get your Philips Hue lights to use it. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please mash that like button and do subscribe. It helps me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from. Geofencing essentially creates an invisible virtual boundary that can be tripped by a device like a smartphone. Geofencing may use Wi-Fi or cellular data or GPS to know where you are in relation to another device. For example, it can use your smartphone to tell when you get very close to your house, and then that invisible net can then trigger any number of actions inside your smart home when it's used with compatible devices. A geofence is that virtual boundary that you set for yourself and your devices. You might be wondering how geofencing works with your smart lighting and what you can do with it. We'll use the example of the Philips Hue smart lights since they are one of the most available and easiest to use systems out there, in my opinion. With smart lighting, a geofence can establish when you're getting near your house, for example. By tripping the system, your smart lights can turn on as you're pulling into the driveway or even before you round the corner to your house. You have the ability to draw that boundary yourself so you can have those actions happen moments before you arrive or just as you pull up. Conversely now, if you always forget to turn the lights off when you leave, you can set up your Philips Hue geofence to shut off all the lights for you after you leave your house or after you leave that geofence boundary area. The system is fully customizable and you can choose which lights will turn on or off and when. So let's get to how to use your Philips Hue lights with the geofencing feature. Now you'll need to get this set up inside the Philips Hue app, and you will need to ensure that you have the most current Philips Hue app too, by the way. Head over to the Automations tab inside the Philips Hue app. Choose the plus icon to add a new automation. You'll select Coming Home or Leaving Home, then follow the on-screen instructions to add your device to location-based automations. You'll need to give permission to access your location and confirm your home's location. You can have your lights come on no matter if it's day or night or just at night. Then you can set their brightness or their color. If you've got a few family members who are on the app and have control of your house, the app will detect if anyone else using the app is still at home, and it knows enough not to kill the lights until everyone has left. So that is how to do it. It's good to know that Philips Hue has added smart new automations to its app that allows you to automate your home and save energy at the same time. If you want to read this topic or reference any of what I've talked about here, I wrote about this for digitaltrends.com. You can head to the website and check out the article. If this video was helpful, please do mash that like button and consider becoming a subscriber, since both those things do help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me through Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.